In the last video, we created a new file and uploaded our documents. Now that everything has been processed, let's activate the transaction and let Traicee do the heavy lifting. Find the purchase contract and click View Analysis. The document analysis window opens at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can rename the document or change its subfolder if you need to. Below that, you'll see a quick summary with just the highlights. When you're ready, click Activate Transaction. Next, the deadline confirmation window appears. This is your chance to make sure Traicee got every deadline right. If there are other deadlines that you want to track, you can add them here. When you're finished, click Confirm and Activate. When the page refreshes, you'll see several new tiles. First, a deadline tile with all of your key dates. Then a task tile showing everything you need to do for this file. You can customize which tasks appear and when they're due over here in the settings section. You'll also notice that the summary has expanded quite a bit. If you've uploaded more than one document, click View Analysis on each of them to see its contents. And that's it. All the main features of the File Manager are now active: participants, journal notes, summary, and many more. I'd encourage you to watch the short videos on each of those features next.